Alright, how to calibrate your X1 hoverboard. This is the X Hover 1 Eclipse. So what you want to do is make sure it's powered on. And I have it completely taken apart because one side is not working, but I can still calibrate it. So let me let me connect the power back up. Alright, the power's back up. Alright, now what you want to do is your power button, it's on here. So you press and hold it, and you want to press and hold it until it starts beeping like crazy. Let go, press it to turn it off, and then press it twice, and now it's recalibrated. And as you can see, this model, that light's on this side, and that light's off on that side. So it probably has a faulty gyroscope, which I can't find a gyroscope. I can find the main board there, and then here. I can't find the gyroscope, so it's off or whatever. So I'm going to unplug it right here. That way I can continue to troubleshoot. But that's how you calibrate this beast. That's what it looks like. Alright. Have a great day.